Hi, here I have some Android phone, and in this video I will show you what to do if you're stuck on no command Android robot logo. So let me show you how to exit the no command screen. It may happen that you accidentally activate the recovery mode and you're stuck on this logo, or you would like to enter the recovery mode but you don't know how to proceed, how to go to the next step from that logo. As you can see, if you press power key, volume down or volume up, the phone doesn't respond. Let me show you the simple trick to enter the recovery mode and to exit this no command screen. So you need to hold down the power key, and while holding power key, press volume up once. So let me show you. Power key, volume up, and that's it. The Android recovery menu pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. As you can see, here you can use your recovery options. If you would like to simply quit the recovery mode, you can use the last option, which is power off, and your device will turn off. Or you can choose the first one, so reboot system now. Let me choose reboot system now, so press power key to confirm it, and let's wait a couple of seconds until your phone will boot into a normal mode. As you can see, this is the Tecno Spark 20 Pro, but this method with no command trick works in almost every Android phone, so it will be useful to your phone as well. And that's it, your phone is in normal mode. So thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.